Ready to ditch the chaos of scattered contacts and unlock the power of organized lead management in Kvcore. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section on the left-hand side menu. This is your hub for all things leads and campaigns. Next, in the Marketing Autopilot section, click on the Import Contacts option. This will take you to the lead import page. Now you'll see several ways to import your leads, the most common being a CSV file. Simply click on the Download Template button to download a properly formatted CSV file that you can fill in. Kvcore accepts CSV files, which are spreadsheet-style files. Once your CSV file is ready, click Choose File and select it from your computer. Kvcore will then walk you through a field mapping process. This makes sure that the column names in your CSV file match the appropriate fields in Kvcore. If you only have a few leads, you can enter them manually. Simply click on Add Contact button and fill in all the relevant details like name, email, and phone number. Explore Kvcore's integrations with other platforms like Zillow or Realtor.com to automatically pull in leads from those sources. This simplifies the process and keeps your Kvcore database constantly updated. After your import, segment your leads with hashtags or status filters to help organize them for marketing and follow-up.